Hello and welcome to the GreenBiz Studio. I'm Heather Clancy, the editorial director, and I'm joined today by Ruth Farrell, the marketing director for Eastman's Textiles business. Ruth, welcome.
Thanks so much, Heather. Lovely to be here.
So, can you tell me about Naia, one of your projects, and its sustainability story?
Absolutely. So the Naia portfolio, it's a cellulosic yarn. We have a filament yarn and we also have a spun yarn. And it creates and transforms into beautiful, luxurious fabrics like the one I'm wearing today, but also comfort and everyday fabrics. The sustainability story is excellent. It's responsibly sourced from wood pulp. Uses no hazardous chemicals in its production, and it's using a closed loop manufacturing process that has both a low carbon and a low water footprint, and it's biodegradable. What we see with Naia is an opportunity for sustainable fashion that can be accessible to everyone. It's such a versatile fiber, and it really gives designers and brands out there such a versatility of choice. And it really means that fashion can be sustainable with no compromise.
Excellent. So this is just one part of what Eastman is doing related to the circular economy. So can you tell me about some of the other things?
Well, right now we're very excited about the whole circular economy. Eastman is dedicated to build a whole infrastructure that can support the circular economy and really create value from material waste. At the heart of it, we believe that plastics and textiles can not only be eliminated, but can be reinvented and used to create quality materials that can be used and reused. So our technologies are essentially molecular recycling. So they're breaking down waste into molecular building blocks and rebuilding into new materials. And the beauty is that there is no quality trade-off. So no degradation whatsoever to the material. So it's like the virgin material. And essentially what we're doing is redefining the concept of start and end of life. And there is now an opportunity to have an infinite lifespan of materials. So very exciting to have that opportunity to take plastics and textiles that today are being landfilled or go to incineration, and diverting them from that end and creating value from waste.
Taking all that into consideration, what do you see happening for the Naia brand, and how can your organization help fashion brands meet their sustainability goals?
Our Naia team has always had a very strong commitment to sustainability. With Eastman's carbon renewal technology, we can now push the boundaries further, and we have just launched Naia Renew, and we're very excited about that. Naia Renew is sourced from responsibly sourced wood pulp, and it's sourced from recycled mixed plastics. Mixed plastics that have no viable recycling solution today and are being diverted from landfill. Naia Renew is also biodegradable. It has all the quality, all the aesthetics and beauty and versatility of Naia portfolio today. What's so exciting for me when I'm talking to brands about Naia Renew is the fact that it's scalable. We're bringing Naia Renew to market at a commercial scale that can really have the power to make a measurable impact. And that's what brands are asking from us. They're looking for us to support their sustainability commitments on circularity, but they want to do it in a way that allows them to bring sustainable fashion, not a niche level, but sustainable fashion that can be accessible to all. To a certain extent, democratizing sustainable fashion. And that's what our goal is. And a number of our brands are supporting us in that goal. And we're collaborating with some major fashion brands with Naia Renew. In addition to our recent announcement on Naia Renew, we're also very excited to share with you, Heather, that we will be featuring garments made with Naia Renew in H&M's Conscious Exclusive collection this fall. And that's very, very exciting. And we're so happy to collaborate with H&M on that.
Well, terrific update on this project. Thank you so much for your time, Ruth, today. Really appreciate you being here.
Thank you so much, Heather. It's been great.
For Green Biz Studio, I'm Heather Clancy. You just heard from Ruth Farrell with Eastman's Textile team.